Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close look at the Wolf Palermo small jewellery box. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Wolf Palermo small jewellery box, or a storage box for jewellery. And just taking a quick look around the outer card packaging. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by of course first sliding off the outer black card sleeve and just setting that card sleeve on the side to reveal the wolf inner box packaging for the Palermo small jewellery box, and just giving you a clear look at the box and taking a look around the box once again, but this time of course at the box itself, and taking a close-up look at the details. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid. And giving you a top-down look into the box packaging and its contents. Let's go ahead and lift the contents out. And I might have to turn it upside down and lifting the box base. And now just setting the box to the side. And turning the Palermo jewellery box the right way up. Of course it is, or appears to be, covered in a dust cover or dust bag. Let's open it up and slide the dust bag off. As you can see, the Palermo small jewellery box is wrapped with some gift wrapping or wrapping paper with the wolf branding, and I'm just going to set the paper to the side. And as you can see, this box is in black or black anthracite, and giving you an all-round look at the box. And I'm just going to set it down so you have a clear, unobstructed view of this Wolf Palermo small jewellery box. And let me just tidy up the tabletop so we have less interference, or at least maybe just let me set that card sleeve to the side so at least we have a bit more room to work with while trying to keep everything in frame. So now taking a close-up look, and before I do that, actually let's give you some idea of the size of this box. So resting my hand on top of the box lid. So the box measures 21 centimeters long, 15.2 centimeters wide, and 12.1 centimeters tall or high. And giving you a close-up look right now, you can see that there is a lock at the front, and it does have a full leather cover around the box. And you can see the wolf branding as well at the rear. I'm just giving you that close-up detail of the graining of the leather, very fine grain. And the base of the box has a nice soft felt finish to it, and of course that wolf branding as well at the bottom. Very discreet. And now setting the box down, and let's pop open the lid. To reveal the contents inside, or the interior of the box. and taking a close-up look. So you can see there is a mirror on the underside of the lid. And taking a look, let's try that again, taking a look directly in the box compartments. Let's pop the upper or inner tray out and give you that close-up look. So we can see that there is a tassel here with a key attached, and that key would be used for locking up the jewellery box. And then there is what appears to be silica gel or desiccant. Of course, we want to keep that away from children, toddlers, babies and animals. And taking a look at this compartment, there is a leather pull tab and it is hinged. Right there, giving you a look at the compartments inside. So 4 compartments, one being the central covered compartment. And just setting, and before actually I do that, just taking a look on the underside so we can see there is a nice felt lining on the underside as well in a nice cream color. And we see that black, very fine grain leather right across and around the tray. And taking a look inside now of the Palermo small jewellery box, the main compartment itself, and popping that card or taking that card out. Let's take a look. So there is a warranty card as well as some other information pertaining to this Wolf product. So just giving you a look right there and flipping that card around along with the other cards as well. So some product information and history of Wolf. And setting those cards down, and of course we have the warranty card as well still in hand. Let's pop it open and give you a look inside of it. Okay, so warranty information with the warranty card. So setting that down and to the side. So just keeping everything in view as we continue to look at this Wolf Palermo small jewellery box. So you can see same lining inside, but this one is slightly padded on the base or bottom of the main compartment. Nonetheless, giving you that look as well. Some idea of the dimensions, and of course you can see that there is that step there to hold the inner removable tray, which we've done. Just giving you a look all around at that interior of this jewellery box. And taking a look at the hinge as well. So you can see finely finished hinges with a gold finish in high polish. It's right there, giving you a nice, good look at the mirror on the underside of the lid as well as the main compartment. And just closing the box down and taking a look once again all around at this jewelry storage box with a black leather finish and of course the svelte soft felt lining, which is a LusterLoc lining, which is anti-tarnish. So it does have an anti-tarnish treatment or design to keep your jewelry from tarnishing. So same thing with the lining right throughout as well. LusterLoc in design. And let's close everything back up and give you one more look at this Wolf Palermo small jewelry box in black anthracite. And then of course with the key we can always lock up the jewelry box. And like that, the lid is nice and secure. As you can see, I'm just holding on to the lid and the base is staying securely in place, locked to its lid. And now let's undo it by simply placing the key back in and turning it clockwise to unlock the lid. And just giving you one more look at the close-up and details of this Wolf Palermo small jewelry box with its 4 storage compartments with LusterLoc lining, So that's the Wolf Palermo small jewelry box. Thanks for watching and happy storing.